Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with KeyBank step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the KeyBank website. Log into your KeyBank online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the credit card section in the main menu. Select the option to apply for a new credit card. Review the different credit card options available to determine which one best suits your needs. Click on the card you wish to apply for to access more details. Carefully read the card features and benefits to ensure it's the right choice. When ready, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your income information and any other required financial details. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. If prompted, review and accept the terms and conditions. Submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation message once your application is submitted. Keep an eye on your email inbox for updates regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive your new credit card in the mail within a few business days. Upon receiving the card, open it carefully and activate it as directed. Follow the instructions to set your PIN if required. Familiarize yourself with the online account features for managing your card. Start using your KeyBank credit card responsibly and enjoy the benefits it offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.